Hey guys, I finally got in a pair of sneakers that I've been waiting on for a while, and I think Louis Vuitton has been killing it with their sneakers since Virgil Abloh was creative director. I've been super excited to get these in, and the hardest for me was choosing what color to get, but these are the LV Trainer Maxi sneakers in the green colorway. I don't remember clearly, but I think since the runway show, people call these the boyhood trainers. But since seeing these on the runway and on Instagram from the showrooms, I've been wanting them. From first impressions, these are just an inflated and super beefed up version of the original LV trainers. I think the intention was making it look like kids sneakers with the overall shape and with the plastic LV initials and flowers on the laces. And just like skate shoes, these have a thick tongue, but the whole upper of this shoe is actually padded all around, especially in the toe box, which creates the boxy shape. Out of the box, the laces aren't tieable as they come up short, but you could adjust the plastic accessories around to tie the laces. But I think I'll just leave them to hang off the side as intended. The stars on the soles are pretty exaggerated compared to other sneakers like the Air Force Ones, and actually stick out a lot. But overall, besides the padding and extra small details, the design remains similar to the LV trainer. I think the best way to describe the shoe is it feels as if someone just took an air pump to the shoe and inflated it like a balloon. Let's talk about sizing. I always get questions regarding sizing for every shoe, but especially for Louis Vuitton sneakers, it's tough to get an exact answer since every foot is different and everyone has different preferences on how they wear the sneakers. The easiest answer is if you own or have owned any LV trainers, go with the same size for the Maxi. It fits similar to every LV trainer and other sneakers I've owned from Louis Vuitton. And if you've never owned a pair of Louis Vuitton sneakers, Louis Vuitton sizing is technically in UK sizing that runs big. So for people in America, take your US size. I wear 10.5 in Air Jordan 1s. Subtract 1 for your UK sizing. This is where it comes down to preference, so I went down another size. So from a US 10.5, I love wearing my LV trainers in an 8.5. They fit perfectly for me, more snug than loose in the foot. Other people have mentioned that they go only a half size down from their UK sizing, so it's really all preference for you. Before I end the video, I want to go over some of the things I don't like about this sneaker. Hate is a strong word, but first is the price. I hate that this sneaker costs $1,770 and that's before tax. I think everyone agrees that it's just too expensive for a pair of sneakers. Second, I don't know if it caught well on camera, but from certain angles, it looks like I'm wearing the sneakers on the wrong foot. Like I'm wearing my left sneaker on my right foot and vice versa. It's actually pretty trippy, and when I first unboxed the shoes, it took me a good second to figure out which one was the right shoe and which one was the left shoe. Lastly, it might just have to do with my personal pair, but there's squeaking coming from my left shoe, specifically from the heel section of the insole. You could probably hear it throughout the video when I'm trying on the shoes, and it's pretty loud. Overall, I love what Virgil Abloh and Louis Vuitton did with the LV trainers. I've been holding on to a couple of pairs like Grails, and I really love these Maxi trainers for the new season. It will be interesting to see where Louis Vuitton creatively goes from here. I just saw the Kid Super Louis Vuitton collection a couple of days ago, and there were some interesting pieces I might want. Anyways, thanks for watching. Oh, and comment below and let me know what you guys think.